Welcome back. It's been a while, hasn't it? So anyway, we finally got the van 99.9% finished. And my wife and I are going to give you a little walkthrough of what we got going on.
Moving in.
Got a step stool for getting up in it. These curtains are really nice. You got these door curtains that will
Paying a butt to put in.
You know, that's how they work. Well, they work better than that, but for right now. Then she's got her sink and storage above it and running water. And it's a little noisy, but hey, you know, it works. Storage above it, a nice Furrion refrigerator.
Cutting board will go here.
Yes. And that's cold. And then down here we took some, you'll find out in our other videos if you've seen them, we took some bathroom cabinets and refurbished them. Came out pretty good, I thought. And then we have, on this side, we have a stove, a little pop-out shelf for a little extra countertop. Has a bar that goes underneath it. My wife's spice rack. That was the first thing I built when I had a wood shop. It's all made of Australian lace wood and spices. And then with our bed, we have storage underneath the bed. And right where you see the red bucket is we pull that out of the way, and that's our diesel heater in there. And then we have more storage along that side. We didn't put storage on the other side because originally we were going to sleep crossways in the van. The van is 69 inches, and I'm 69 inches, and it's a pain in the butt. I'd have to sleep at the back where it's a little narrower. So we took these two cabinets out from previous videos and extended the bed. Cool.
No cool.
Then up there where the plaid begins, right after the red, is another section. Put your hand on that plaid up there, babe.
Here?
No, down on the ground. There, that one.
This one.
That's where there's another section of storage underneath there. That'll lift up, and we have a max fan in there. Running water. We have a curtain up here in the front to block out the light. We also have a Garmin and a dash cam. Soon to have a CB radio in there. Talk to truck drivers. And we'll take a walk around to the back door. We have little lights. These are little Arbor Freight lights, LEDs.
Bright.
At night they are very bright, and they're well worth it. It was like, well, they were on sale. We bought a box of 10. They were like $1.99 at the time. So we'll take a walk around to the back and show you what's in there. And sometimes the lights just fall off the ceiling for some bizarre reason. Probably the heat.
No, I didn't get it stuck up on there when I changed the battery.
Oh. Then we'll come around. Oh. Is the back door unlocked?
I don't know.
Crawl over the bed and unlock it. Okay, we had to put a special handle on the back door to get it to unlock from the inside. And we're going to see if it works. I heard it. It does work. It's not much, but flip it up and down, lock and unlock, and then you can pull it to open the door. So it works. And she's already liking it. Hibernation time. Down in here, we have our power system, which is two 100 amp sealed lead acid batteries. Junction box for the 110 coming in from the generator, battery charger, our controller, MPPT controller. Got a 3,000 watt, 2,000 watt inverter, Eastwood inverter. Keep a fire extinguisher back here. Then over here we have our diesel heater tank, so that's good. Yep, we're one step closer to rolling. So we do have a propane tank up in the front. it's not a permanent mount because I don't like having propane in a vehicle like this driving down the road. So what we'll do is when we stop, DOM lands is up 14 days or whatever, we'll put it in the van. But as we're rolling, we have a trailer we'll be pulling, and that's where the tank will go. So other than that, it's quite the adventure. So if you see the star rolling down the road, give us a wave, give us a like, and if you want, leave a comment. Don't forget to share and tell your friends about it. Thank you very much.